Tired of slow internet on Windows 11? You click a link and then you wait and wait. That spinning wheel of death, the buffering icon, it's usually not your plan, and it's definitely not your computer. 9 times out of 10, the culprit is your ISP's default DNS. It's slow, it's often overloaded, and it can even sell your browsing data. Let's fix that right now. I'm going to show you how to switch to Cloudflare's free IPv6 DNS in about 2 minutes. It's one of the easiest upgrades you can make for a faster, more private connection. So here's the plan. I'm going to walk you through the exact clicks inside Windows 11 settings. We're going to manually change your DNS to Cloudflare's specific IPv6 addresses. Don't worry, there's no command line, no scary technical jargon. Just a few clicks, and you'll be surfing the web noticeably faster. All right, let's get started. Go ahead and click the Start button. That's the little Windows icon in the very bottom left corner of your screen. Just click it. Now, you're going to open the Settings app. It should be right there pinned to the Start menu. It looks like a little gear icon. Click that. Inside Settings, you'll want to click on the option that says Network and Internet. It's usually near the top of the list on the left-hand side. Go ahead and click that. Now, you'll see your current network. If you're on Wi-Fi, which most of us are, look for your network name. It should have a little Properties button or link right next to it. Click on that Properties link. It will take you to the details for your specific connection. Okay, this is the most important part, so pay close attention. Scroll down until you see a section that says DNS Server Assignment. Right now, it probably says Automatic, which is why your ISP is in control. You want to click the little Edit button right below that. A small window will pop up. You'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and change it from Automatic to Manual. Don't worry, it sounds scarier than it is. Once you select Manual, you'll see a toggle switch for IPv4 and a toggle switch for IPv6. You want to turn on the toggle switch for IPv6. Make sure it's set to On. We are specifically working with IPv6 today. Now, this is where the magic happens. A couple of new text fields will appear. You are going to enter the Cloudflare IPv6 addresses. These specific numbers are what make this whole thing work. For the preferred DNS, type this in exactly. 2606:4700:4700:1111. And for the alternate DNS, type this in. 2606:4700:4700:1001. Double check those. If you get them wrong, it just won't work, so take your time. Once those are entered correctly, click the Save button. And that's it. You're done. Your computer is now using Cloudflare's fast, secure, and private DNS. Close the Settings window, open your browser, and try loading a page. You should notice things feel a little snappier. No more buffering, no more waiting. Your internet just got a serious upgrade. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.